How to convert text to speech in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the CapCut application on your device and simply launch the project. As you can see on the screen, I've already launched the project. Now if you want to convert the text to speech in CapCut, what you simply need to do is you need to enter the text. So here you can simply see the option of add text option at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to tap on add text, and here you can simply tap on add text and enter any of the text that you want to write over here. So I'm going to enter here there for now, and then simply tap on the screen, and as you tap on the text over here, it will give us the options. So what you can simply do is you can simply tap on different options at the bottom of the screen. From here we can see text to speech. Simply tap on text to speech, and as you do that, you can select different voices from the AI over here. So you can select whichever is more convenient and that it's more relevant to your project. And as you're done with it, you can tap on the check mark and it will generate the speech over here. You can also select for how long you would want the text, or the text to speech you would want to be, and then you'll be done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.